Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In this video we will see expiry demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is the 2nd of July and I have given call for tomorrow to my paid clients, and that call I'm sharing here in this video. So before that, let us see what happened on last expiry. So last expiry was, it was 25th of June, and this call was given on my Telegram channel, my YouTube channel, my Facebook page. So this call was given, you can see here, it was given on 24th of June itself at 8:25 p.m. But this call could not, this call went invalid. Why? Because both the puts opened above the target. So as per the rule, if the pre-market calls, the calls which are given one day before, if they open above the target, then we do not trade in these calls. Then in that case, new call is given. And that's why on 25th June at 10:11 a.m., if you can see here, it's 25 June 10:11 a.m. I had given this call. This was live market call. This was live market call given at 10:08 a.m. This was given on 25th of June for 25th of June. Now, what happened with this call? This I have updated here. You can see this was Bank Nifty call 21,200. It call given here. This was the point where it was 10.11 when the call was given, 10.08 around that time call was given during this period, and it has hit target here. So the target was hit. The entire screenshot was given. And same for Nifty. The call was given here. The call was given here and it has hit the target here. So call was given by 10:11 and it has hit target by around 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, you can see by 10:50 it has given the target. So this was the performance of last expiry demo call, and you can see these proofs or screenshots by the clients. Some clients have sent me the screenshots on that day, and those some very few screenshots I have shared here on Telegram channel only, not on YouTube. So this screenshot was, just try small with your demo call, boss. I can't believe the timing. Salute you. See, biggest surprise to the clients was the timing. This was the timing, exactly this was the timing when the call was given, and the moment it crossed the entry price, it hit the target. So people were just surprised to know the timing of the call. Why this call was given at 10:11 or 10:10? That was the point of surprise for the clients. This is again, just tried your demo call. This is the first time I use your demo call for testing with one lot. I am amazed by the result, that too within few minutes. You are genius, hats off, keep the good work going, you are kingmaker. So this is the comment by other client. This is again, profit is 3851. Thanks Sunil sir, there is no one like you, best option expert in India. So these are the comments. These are the comments by the followers who saw that call live, and then they have traded also, and I've shared on my Telegram channel too. थैंक्स सर जी, आज से आपका ही सहारा है. ऑल इंडियन सैल्यूट, इंडियन आर्मी. I am a soldier and I salute you. So this is the biggest comment I have ever received. I have a lot of clients in Indian Army, and this client, this respected client, is also a soldier in Indian Army. So I was able to give such a call where the soldier from Indian Army has made this profit 4,139 that day, and that's why this comment. This is very I have shared this screenshot on my Facebook page and Facebook account also, and it was really a great honor for me to have this type of comment by a soldier, a commando in Indian Army. So thanks, sir. You have shared this. You have given me such a honor, and I'm really thankful for this. So this was the performance of last expiry demo call. Now, what is the demo call for tomorrow? Tomorrow it is at 2nd July, expiry 2nd July. Nifty call 10,450, if crosses 51.50, then target 69.93, stop loss 33.07. Nifty put 10,400, if crosses 56.93, then target is 75.36 and stop loss is 38.50. Same way you can read Bank Nifty call 22,000, Bank Nifty put 22,000. If they cross the relevant break points, then the target and stop loss is also given. You can read it. Now, how we are going to trade this calls? There are some rules for that. And what are the rules? These are the rules. These are the rules. See, to all my clients, these calls are given, and then the client gets videos of the explanation on these rules, how these rules should be used while doing trading. So the rule number 1 is entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. It means tomorrow after 9:15, after market opened, if call crosses entry price, you buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. We are not buying both here. We are buying only one, which is crossing the entry price tomorrow after market opening. If option opens with gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at level. See here, if call or put opens with small gap, opens with a small gap but not above the target, it is opening with a small gap but not above the target, then in that case wait for the level, wait for the buy level to come and enter at the buy level. Tomorrow it is expiry, you can trade with 2 lots. So in that case, if it is opening with in Nifty 5-10 points above the entry price or 10-20 points above the entry price in Bank Nifty, then you can buy one lot, and other lot you can put 10-20 points below the entry price, so that your average price becomes the entry price. Means, for example, this is 51, I can say 52, for example, this is 52, and if it opens above around 60, you can buy one lot, and other lot you can put your order at 40, so that 40 plus 60 your average becomes 50 or 51. But this you will do only if it opens above the entry price, not below the entry price. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. If you entered into call and if call does not give you target, if hits the stop loss, then exit the trade. The first step is exit the trade. Then wait for put to activate. Do not immediately enter into put. If call, you entered into call and call hits the stop loss, in that case do not immediately enter into put. Wait for put to activate. If put activates, you buy double quantity of put. Otherwise, if call again activates, you can buy double quantity of call again. Please understand, if you entered into call hits the stop loss and you exit the trade, wait for put to activate. If put activates, you buy double quantity. If put does not activate and again calls activates, then you buy double quantity of call again. So this is rule number 3. If the target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. See friends, what has happened today? Today means it is 1st of July. This is 1st of July. 1st of July. This is 1st of July. 1st of July. Today's paid calls to clients. Bank Nifty call 21,600 given at 285.30, rocking 339.97 till now. So here if you see, today's pre-market call given to paid clients, Bank Nifty call 21,400 given at 369 hit target. So today on 1st of July, both the call options, Nifty and Bank Nifty call options hit target within 2 hours, and that is why those trades were hold till 3:20 p.m. So as per the rule, trade was hold till 3:20 p.m. and the price of Nifty call 10,300. This is today's call. At 3:20 p.m. is 162, doubled from entry of 111. Today we entered into Nifty call 10,300 at 111.80, and at 3:20 it was 162. If you can see this, it was 162.24 at 3:20. So as per the rule, we hold the trade and trade become double. Same way Bank Nifty almost doubled. Bank Nifty, it was a Bank Nifty call of 21,400. Entry price was 369 and at 3:20 it was 693.71, almost 700. So today the calls have doubled with this rule. With these rules, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. This way today on 1st of July, I am telling, Nifty call and Bank Nifty call have doubled. Bank Nifty almost doubled, Nifty call has doubled. The capital has doubled today on 1st of July. If target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry trade for 1 or 2 days. This rule is not for expiry day, this is for ordinary days. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. This rule is also not for expiry, it is for other days. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. See, these calls I am giving you people one day before. Today it is the 1st of July and I am giving you people call for 2nd of July. So if these calls open above the target, then I will give you fresh live market call at 10 a.m. or by 10:15 a.m. maximum. So in that case, if these calls open above, call or put whatever open above the target, ignore these calls completely. I will give fresh calls. Trading rules for expiry: trade with 2 lots, exit 1 lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. Double the quantity of opposite option with stop loss when stop loss is hit. So these are the rules with which we are going to trade these calls. So friends, last time every expiry I am giving calls and every expiry calls are doubling, tripling. Last time also calls have hit the target, we have just seen that. So share these channels with all of your friends so that they can also take benefits of these demo calls. Thanks friends.